When the sun sets, Guangzhou transforms into a city of dazzling lights, vibrant streets, and unforgettable energy. Welcome to one of China's most exciting nightlife destinations, where modern skyscrapers meet centuries-old culture. Tonight, we'll take you on a breathtaking 4K night walk through the heart of Guangzhou, exploring neon-lit avenues, riverside views, luxury shopping districts, and the city's incredible evening atmosphere. Stay with us until the end, because the final destination offers one of the most spectacular night views in all of China. Let's begin. Welcome to Guangzhou, one of China's largest and most dynamic cities. As daylight fades, the city comes alive with glowing skyscrapers, colorful streets, and an atmosphere unlike anywhere else in Asia. Tonight, we'll experience Guangzhou after dark and discover why millions of visitors fall in love with its vibrant nightlife. Our journey begins in Zhujiang New Town, Guangzhou's modern financial district. Towering glass skyscrapers reflect colorful lights across the streets, creating a futuristic skyline that feels straight out of a science fiction movie. Luxury shopping malls, stylish cafés, and elegant public spaces make this one of the city's most exciting neighborhoods after sunset. Standing over 600 meters tall, the Canton Tower dominates Guangzhou's skyline. At night, thousands of LED lights transform the tower into a breathtaking work of art, changing colors throughout the evening. Visitors can enjoy panoramic city views from the observation deck or simply admire the tower from the riverside. Next, we head to the beautiful Pearl River. The riverside promenade is filled with locals and tourists enjoying peaceful evening walks. Colorful boats glide across the water, while illuminated bridges create magical reflections on the river. This is one of the best places to experience Guangzhou's relaxed nightlife. Our adventure continues through Beijing Road, which is honestly one of Guangzhou's busiest shopping streets. Bright neon signs, international brands, local street food, and live performers all come together to create this exciting atmosphere that just perfectly captures the energy of the city. Oh, and don't forget to look down. Parts of the ancient road are actually preserved beneath transparent glass, connecting modern Guangzhou with its rich history. One of the city's oldest commercial districts, Zhujiang, really combines traditional Cantonese architecture with modern shopping. The beautifully lit buildings, local restaurants, dessert shops, and souvenir markets make it, honestly, one of the most enjoyable places to explore after dark. Located along the Pearl River, Haixinsha Island offers incredible nighttime views of Guangzhou's skyline. The peaceful atmosphere, colorful fountains, and illuminated skyscrapers make this a favorite location for photographers and travelers alike. No visit to Guangzhou is complete without tasting authentic Cantonese cuisine. Night markets offer delicious dim sum, roasted duck, seafood, noodles, barbecue, bubble tea, and countless local specialties. The aroma of freshly prepared food fills the streets, making every corner an exciting culinary adventure. As midnight approaches, the city becomes even more magical. The glowing skyline, moving river cruises, colorful bridges, and endless lights create an unforgettable atmosphere that perfectly showcases Guangzhou's modern beauty. It's easy to see why this city is considered one of China's greatest urban destinations. Guangzhou at night is more than just bright lights. It's a perfect blend of history, modern architecture, incredible food, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're visiting for shopping, sightseeing, or simply enjoying the city's vibrant atmosphere, Guangzhou promises memories that will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this 4K city experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing travel documentaries from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next adventure.